So just going through a central bank, most modern economies will have a central bank, and the central bank is going to oversee the banking system. So if you think about in the United States, most of the banks are actually private entities, private businesses like Bank of America or Bank of Holland or M&T Bank. And in the United States, the Federal Reserve is the central bank that oversees and regulates the private banks. The Federal Reserve basically has control over the money supply in the economy, meaning they can increase or decrease the amount of money in the U.S. economy. Changing the money supply, usually to impact real variables in your economy, like the real GDP or the unemployment rate, is often referred to as monetary policy. So monetary policy, changing the amount of money in the economy to try to change the behavior of people in the economy to either speed up or slow down the economy by changing the amount of money that's in circulation. And this is done by the Federal Reserve in the United States. So the Federal Reserve, it's set up where there are 7 governors, and these governors are located in Washington, D.C. There's also regional banks for the Federal Reserve. So there's a Federal Reserve Bank in New York City. There's a Federal Reserve Bank in Cleveland. And then the Federal Open Market Committee is the agency that really conducts the monetary policy. So they'll increase or decrease the money supply. And we'll see later on in the course that this really plays a role in interest rates.